So hey everyone, today we will be solving LeetCode daily problem. So today problem is 179, which is largest number. So we have given a list of non-negative integer nums and arranged them such that they form the largest number and return it. Since the result may be very large, so you need to return a string instead of integer. Okay. So like we have given an input and we have this output. So what the question says, we have given a set of integers in the form of vectors. Let's suppose we have vectors 1, comma 2, comma 3. Let's suppose this is we have vector. So we have to return a string which like combination of these three all the element. The string should be the greatest like integer. Okay. So let's suppose this is 1 2 3. If we combine 1 2 3, we will be getting 1 2 3. But this is not the greatest integer. Okay. Like if we combine these three elements, we should be getting the greatest element. So like 2 1 3, still this is not the greatest element. But if we do like 3 2 1, okay, this will be the greatest element. So this way we are gonna return this. Okay. So let's see one more example. We have like 3 30 34 5 9, and now it is returning the greatest combination of these elements, the greatest element in the form of string. Okay. So what is happening? So let's give one thought in one example. Like we have one example like 2 15, okay, and we have let's suppose 9. So what we gonna do? First we will short this like vector. So we will be getting like 2 9 and 15. Okay, we'll be getting this, or we can like we can short in reverse order. So like rather than putting nums dot begin, we will be putting like r begin, which short in the reverse form. Let's suppose we short in the form of reverse. So like we will be getting 15 9, and then we have 2. Okay. So like what we gonna do then? So we will be like we will be concatenating this all string. Okay. So we then putting the largest element among these values. So we know that 15 is the largest element, but we are not gonna put this. We will be checking the first element. Okay. So first element is 1, but there is some element which is greater than 1, like 9 and 2. So we'll be every time we'll be checking the first element. Like if we have 2 3 9, we'll be checking this element. Okay, and we will be comparing this element with the others. So based on that, we will be concatenating the string. So concatenation will be okay. So concatenation will be like 9, then 2, then 15. So this should return. Okay, this way we are gonna solve this question. So let's look at the solution. So we have solutions. We have comparator. Okay, before comparator we have helper function which is returning string, and we have largest number helper function which is where we are passing nums of vector. Okay. So there was some mistake I was doing. We can't do this. So let's look at this example. So we are basically shorting the nums vector, and we are using comparator. Why comparator? Because initially we are like we have A, then we have B. We are converting both of them into the form of string S1, then S2, and then checking if S1 plus S2, like by concatenating them, we will be checking like if S1 plus S2 is greater than, then return true, else like return false. So this way we are sorting the elements. Now the next what we are gonna do we are checking if nums of 0 equal 0. Like if there is no element, so we'll be returning the zeros. Like we don't need to go for the maximum value. We'll be just returning zero string. Now we have string stream ss. Okay, so what it says like this create like okay. So yeah, so this create a string stream object name ss. Like string stream are used to manipulate string as if they were stream, like input output stream. Okay, so this is that, and we are iterating a for loop. This loop iterate over each element in nums in the containers nums. Inside this loop we are doing ss like left shift num. So this is nothing, just an insertion of the value of nums into the string stream ss. Okay, and in the last we are returning ss dot str. Okay, what it says, it retrieve the string contained from the string stream ss as the standard string. Okay, so this return a concatenated string of for all the value from nums. So basically ss nums essentially convert each number into the string representation and append it to the string stream ss. Okay, This way we are going to return this and we'll be solving this question.